Another day, another great temple within the Angkor Archaeological Park. Today we'll be visiting Preah Khan, a temple dedicated to the father of Jayavarman VII. So earlier we visited Ta Phrom. Ta Phrom was dedicated to the mom of Jayavarman VII, whereas this temple is to his father. It is well restored. Most of the parts of the temple are well restored except for the middle part and the roof of the temple. It's a great temple to take pictures as well. And this temple is, I would say, one of the more complex one, because it started off as a temple that is built during Jayavarman VII, where Buddhism thrived, and later on during the time of Jayavarman VIII, it was converted to a temple with more Hinduism element. So you could see the carvings of Buddha is taken off, and there's a lot more carvings of Hinduism element in the temple. Restoration work for this specific temple was done by the US. As I mentioned before, the restoration works has been close to complete, but that said, we'll be never able to see any of the temple like it was back in time. As you can see, the roofs, the middle part of this temple is not complete, and they're still looking for rocks to complete the puzzle of this temple. Each temple within the Angkor Archaeological Park is definitely unique by its own. As for Preah Khan, its intriguing carvings, the restoration works, as well as the ability as tourists for us to know and see ourselves the change in religion happened during Khmer Empire definitely makes the visit to this temple worth it.